Today we leave the horror genre and we are moving to the beautiful world of magic. Harry Potter. I don't know of anyone from my generation who doesn't know this iconic character. The books and the movies that came after are so popular that they inspired a true cult of Harry Potter, and its numbers are still growing. Persuaded by my beloved sister, I did a quiz at the Pottermore website to see which house I would be sorted to. Unfortunately, it was not Gryffindor, but I still like Harry Potter all the same. Please tell me which house you find yourself in. My today victim is Hunter Huntsman, ever after high doll. I know, there's a ton of Harry Potter dolls out there, and they are amazing. That's why I must admit that this project scares me a little. I struggled hard, but in the end, your votes helped me with the choice. I like the universe very much, so I couldn't decide on the version of Harry Potter I wanted to make. Finally, I chose Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows Part 2. It was a very time-consuming project. As usual, I wanted it as perfect as it can be. Did I nail it? In a moment, you can be the judge of that. As always, the head comes off first. Easiest way is to submerge in the hot water for several seconds and it becomes soft and flexible. The face-off. Traditional acetone-free nail polish remover will be just fine. You can use pure acetone however, but then act quick and wash it off or it might damage the head. Removing the hair. We can use tweezers to take them out from the inside, or we can cut open his head, like Hexian did, and a couple of times. Remove the hair and glue the head together again. And of course, you can always try it out the water exhaust way. Just treat the head like a stress relieving ball. Before rerouting, to optically thicken the hair, I painted the head under it with black paint. For the tool, I use my all-time favorite calipers. Sometimes you ask me about my tools. Professional tools are often hard to come by, so virtually anything what can hold a tiny needle will do. Calipers can be found in any office depot. Just choose the one with removable needle. In its place, we put our diagonally trimmed needle. Personally, I prefer blunt ones. Sometimes under pressure they tend to get loose and prick your finger. Hair can be bought in variety of places. It can also be obtained by brushing acrylic yarn. Natural hair is always an option if you have your friendly neighborhood hairdresser. The reroot itself can be done in a couple of ways. Typical, hole after hole, insertion until you're done. Or you can use a spell and finish in no time. Reparo. Repaint. Washed, cleaned and dried head must be secured with water-resistant hardener like Mr. Super Clear. I tried different ones, and Mr. Super Clear is still the best in my opinion. For drawing I use watercolor pencils, acrylic paint, dry pastels. Remember to save with Mr. Super Clear, it's just as your good old Ctrl S. Outfit. I honestly thought that it would be much easier. It took me more time than I anticipated. A t-shirt, sweatshirt with zipper, trousers and a jacket I decided to do all by myself. Not to drag, I will show you only the summary of the process. If more of you will ask for it, then I'll post step-by-step tutorial. Wand, epoxy sculpt obviously. How do you like the effect? Please tell me in the comments, and as always, if you like my work, please leave a like. It means a great deal for me. Thank you very much, my regular, faithful subscribers who bravely and persistently comment on all my work. Thank you, beloved, your support is invaluable to me.